Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have some more parts that just came in for the 6.0. So let's get in here, we'll get those unboxed, and we will get those installed on the motor. So if you're wondering why this is here, I actually had to, I wanted to retorque lug nuts on it, so did that, checked all the air in the tires. They're good, even though these tires are not long for the world. Where's my grandpa at? I've actually been trying to find a good deal on some wheels and tires for him coming up here. But regardless, we gotta run and grab some stuff for putting the motor together. So we're gonna do that real quick. When we come back, we will get our new parts installed on the motor. All right, guys. So I was in the office and they're working, and FedEx ran. So let's go ahead and get these guys opened up here, and let's take a look at what we got. All right. So at this point, a few months ago, I had a company reach out, Dynovox, same folks that sent these, said, hey, we're starting this new business, and we have this, and this for your truck. You know, would you like to try something out? And well, this at the time was the best fit. Now, Dynovox offers a ton of different stuff. I was looking on their website just the other day, and they do offer a bunch of different stuff. And I talked to the representative that had reached out, and was told that they're actually working on bringing a lot more stuff to market. So it is really cool to see. But here we have, here we have some stainless manifolds for the 6.0. So I'm gonna get both of these out of here, and you also get some new gaskets. But like I said, I'm gonna get both of these out of here. We'll get them out of the bowl wrap, and we'll take a look at what we got. All right, so here we have them, stainless manifolds for the 6.0. So looking at these guys, I'm actually impressed. They look beautiful. My grandpa come and looked at them. He was pretty happy with them as well. The only thing, cleanup could have been a little bit nicer, like in here. You can see little pieces, so we'll clean these out and whatnot. But all in all, overall quality, I mean, these things look really nice. This is your driver's side with your EVP sensor, bung welded in it. So here in a little bit, we're gonna get these down to the shop. We're gonna go ahead and install them. Like I said, I'm gonna clean out the insides of them. That way we don't have nothing ends up in our new turbo. Which, I mean, this shouldn't be too difficult to clean out. But we will get these inside cleaned out, and go ahead and get ready to install them and see what we think. The up pipe, we're also going to see how it fits, because we have the up pipe in the bed of the truck. So since we have the motor and everything out, we can go ahead and fit the up pipe and see how the up pipe fits with these guys. So anyway, all in all, so far, I am pretty impressed. Now, with that being said, I will leave a link down below to these guys with Dynovox. I also have a discount code that I'll put up here on the screen as well. We'll save y'all some money, and I believe, if I remember correctly, I do get a little commission, but they're not paying me to lie to y'all. So this is going to be completely honest opinion, because, well, let's face it, companies can't pay me to lie. I've spent too long building my YouTube channel to throw it away for just a little bit of money. So again, companies can't pay me to lie. This can be completely honest. But anyway, let's get these out to the shop, and then, like I said, here in just a bit, we'll go ahead and get these guys installed and see what we think. Also, guys, the folks over at Dynovox also wanted me to mention that they are going to be working on some branded packaging for these type of parts. So they did want me to mention that here at the end of the video. Yes, well, that's not bad. I am absolutely filthy. Motor's back in the 6.0, by the way, which I'm very happy about. Stay tuned. And then this, I changed the oil in this morning and drove around today, and I wanted to just make sure nothing was leaking and everything looked good, and everything is good. So anyway, like I said, just wanted to mention that real quick. So in case anybody was curious, but anyway, let's get back to the video. All right, so it's a few days later here, and as y'all can see, we've got the motor a little more dressed, if you will. But we're gonna go ahead, pull our stock manifolds off, and go ahead and install our new ones. So these are fairly simple. I believe these are all 10 mil. Yeah, these are all 10 mil. So we'll get these off, and like I said, we'll get our new ones installed. All right, so we got the stock manifolds off, wherever they went. They're over here. So stock manifolds are off. We got the new ones on. I will say all the bolt holes did line up. A little issue with the driver's side one. We'll talk about that here in just a moment. But so we got good clearance on the head here. But over here, one thing, you do have to take the dipstick tube out. Because these are solid flange, where the factory ones are split flange. So you do have to take your dipstick tube out, which wasn't a big deal for us because, well, the motor's sitting here on jack stands. But our issue here, little issue, is that is touching the head. So that is that. But we're gonna go ahead and throw the up pipe on it. I'll show you all the fitment with the up pipe, and make sure we're clearing our regulated return fittings, because we did get those on, because we're dressing this thing to throw in the truck. So today I actually have some stuff I'm going to powder coat for a buddy. I'm going to go ahead and do our Fickum bracket, our lifting eyes, hooks, whatever you want to call them, and we got our seal installers in. So we'll be able to throw our seals in, and then this thing will be ready to put in the truck. So anyway, I'm gonna grab our up pipe here, and we'll go ahead and fit it. Now it's not going in the truck with the up pipe on because bell housing bolts. But like I said, we'll throw this on here, and we'll take a look at our fitment. All right, so the up pipe is installed. Now, it's set all the way forward. I mean, we can, obviously, you, with these, if you don't know, typically speaking, you leave these loose until you put the turbo in it. You seat this connection onto the turbo, you get it tight, and then you tighten these, and then you tighten your turbo hold-down bolts. So, or turbo hold-down bolts, and then these. Because these are, again, they're like a ball fitting. So, again, you get it where you want it, and then you tighten these up. But these do clear, as you can see there. They do clear the boss on the head, but the manifold does hit. So, I mean, we do have them tight, as you can see down in there. I mean, they're on there. They're not going anywhere. But they are touching pretty good. So that's, you know, if you wanted to modify the head or these, I'm not going to. I mean, these are, I think these heads are like $1,600 a piece. So these are brand new O-ringed heads, fully loaded heads, you know, the whole deal. So that is that, but they are on here. Like I said, all these fit great. It's just this one hits the boss on the head. The other side doesn't. down in there, as you can kind of see. It is clear. They do clear my fuel line fittings. Now, if this is all the way forward, it does hit the fittings, but I don't think it's going to be all the way forward. If I remember correctly, and looking at our EGR flange, it's going to be somewhere around here, because that's where the flange is, straight up and down. So that gives us room in for our fittings, for our regulator return, that is. So, like I said, they're on here. Now what you would go ahead and do is slip your dipstick tube back in. I need to get a new O-ring for the dipstick tube. We had just set it on here to fill that hole down there while we were moving stuff around. You can see the four-wheelers are in here. Cause like I said, we're going to be powder coating. So anyway, here they are. They are installed. So I will leave a link to these down in the description, as well as a discount code if y'all want to check them out. Just know they do hit the driver's side head. One more thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab our EBP sensor, and we're going to throw it in. The EBP sensors, I believe, are in a different location on the earlier model 6.0s, but this truck being an 06, it is on, well, here. So again, the earlier model trucks, the tube I think is a little different, but my truck being an 06, it's well, it's what it is. So we're gonna go ahead, put that in real quick, see how it fits, and I reckon that'll be it. So like I said, I do need to powder coat some stuff today, and then we have our seal installers put our rear main seal and our front cover seal in, and after that stuff's powder coated and cool so you can touch it, we'll throw those on, and this guy will be ready to go back in the truck, which I'm very excited for. So we got to get at it here, and yeah. So like I said, we'll throw our EBP sensor in, and we'll see how it fits. All right, so the EBP sensor looks like it'll work. You have to take the fitting out of the stock manifold and transfer it over, which I don't exactly have time to do today, but looking at it, it does look like it will work. So that is kind of nice, I guess. So anyway, guys, like I said, I got a bunch of stuff to do today. I have a ram lift kit that's going candy purple, and then the candy purple stuff for this, and I have all the other stuff for this, but we're not going to do that today. I don't really have time today, because I would like to, what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to get all the little steel stuff done for this truck. That way it doesn't rust, for one. All the other stuff's aluminum, so that's not a big deal. It's not going to rust or anything. So that's that. There's a few pieces we do need to touch up from sandblasting that didn't get all the way blasted or all the way clean. So that's all on my stuff. The other stuff's good. So we're gonna get the other stuff done, get that in there, put the motor in it, and then we'll set the intake and stuff on it for temporary, and then we'll get this back out, and then we need to sandblast that stuff. I don't want to sandblast that stuff in there with the motor open. So we'll like I said, we'll pull the truck out for that. So anyway, guys, I gotta get to work here. We've got a bunch of stuff to do today, and it's already noon. So anyway, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for this one. So if y'all enjoyed today's video, or maybe you find it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day.